ELLIPAL has been a trusted name in cold storage for a while now, with their Titan series setting a high standard for security. But they've just taken a huge leap with the ELLIPAL X Card. So, how is this credit card-sized wallet different from everything else out there? The biggest difference is the setup process. Most hardware wallets, even air-gapped ones, require a screen and buttons for you to create your seed phrase. This means you're interacting with a device that has a screen and a user interface. With the X Card, the entire wallet creation is handled on a dedicated, completely offline device. Your seed phrase never appears on a screen connected to the internet, not even for a second. This starter device is specifically built with no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, and no USB data ports. The result is true, 100% air-gapped security from the very start. Then there's the form factor. The X Card is a sleek, minimalist card that fits right in your wallet. It's not a bulky device with a screen and a camera. It's meant for simple, on-the-go transactions. You just tap it to the ELLIPAL app on your phone, and that's it. It's a lot like using a contactless payment card, but for crypto. This makes it incredibly convenient for quick transactions, and unlike other card wallets, the private key is created and stored on a secure chip without any online interaction. This leads to the next key difference, its simplicity. The X Card is designed to be effortless. There's no need for cables, no need for a computer. You don't have to worry about firmware updates. The card itself is a secure vault, and all your interactions happen through the app on your phone via encrypted NFC communication. This makes it perfect for both new users and seasoned crypto holders who want a seamless, secure experience. Finally, let's talk about backups. While most wallets rely on a single, physical seed phrase backup, the X Card lets you duplicate your wallet onto up to 10 other cards. You can give a card to a trusted family member or store them in different locations for ultimate peace of mind. If one card is lost, you can simply use a backup card to access your funds. This takes the stress out of managing a paper or metal seed phrase, giving you a new level of flexibility and security. So, the ELLIPAL X Card isn't just another cold wallet. It's a complete reimagining of how cold storage can be done, making it simpler, more secure, and more convenient than ever before.